3 sets of nightstands, 3 very different styles, all painted black. This is the final round of my battle of the big black bedsides. I tracked cost, time spent, how long they took to sell, and the profit I made. And today, I reveal the winner.
Hi, I'm Lana, and together, let's make something beautiful, something made for you.
I picked these up for just $100 and was pleasantly surprised by the quality. The tricky part was the hardware. Some brass pieces were broken or missing, so I restored and reused what I could. That added time, but it kept costs low. After a full sand down, paint wash on the top, and veneer repairs, I finished them with some lined drawers. All in, I spent 12.5 hours. They sold for $695 after 5 weeks. These started bulky and dated, but I scored them for $120. Unlike the other sets, they only needed a scuff sand and minor filling, not a full sand down. The biggest expense was the hardware, lots of knobs for all those drawers, but installation was straightforward since I didn't need to drill or fill holes. With fresh black paint and lined drawers, they sold fast, just 1 week at $695, and the time I spent was 7 hours, for a net profit of $335. I found these close to home, but they were the most expensive at $200. At first, I thought I'd restore them, but the veneer was thin and uneven, so I had to skim coat everything with filler for a smooth base. I installed new hardware and lined all of the drawers with a bold print. After 9 hours of work, they sold for $595, but only after dropping the price. They took 10 weeks to move, leaving a net profit of $210. Now let's look at all 3 side by side. The apothecary set cost just $260, took 7 hours, and sold for the same $695, but in only 1 week. That meant a net profit of $335 and the best hourly return at nearly $48 an hour. So the clear winner of the battle of the big black bedsides is the apothecary nightstands. They were the fastest to sell, the easiest to make over, and had the strongest return on time invested. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and check the description for links to all 3 videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like this one.